Hey guys, today I will show you this really cool tool, Lovable.dev. Let's zoom in and first thing, let's sign in. So you can build any web application using this tool in just few minutes. We will use ChatGPT to get some ideas and we'll try to build a simple game in this tutorial. So we have some ideas, but what about a mobile snake game? So we'll ask it to write a detailed prompt, give it some features. We want the user to get 3 free credits. Then the UI should be simple, and we also want to maintain a global leadership board. So we will just write all this and press enter, and now ChatGPT will give us a detailed prompt. We can copy this prompt, and in a single enter button, the magic begins. So you can see Lovable.dev is writing the code for you, and there is also an option for Supabase database. You can copy this source code and create a repository in GitHub and also publish this web application for others to use. So our web app is ready. Let's type in a name and start the game. So you can see this is a really simple snake game, but it looks cool, right? Let's speed things up, and you can see this code is updating. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so let's play for some more seconds. It is really fun, I will tell you that. And so once we are done with a few points, okay, so now let's see. Okay, so the game is over and we can play again for 1 credit and view the leadership board as well. So here you can see my name is being displayed with this code. So do try this tool and show your creativity and subscribe for more such content.